Okay, the pets got a bath and I'm ready to let them go home. What?
Hello, Mr. Poo Poo, or Mrs. whoever you are.
I'm Claudine.
I wanted Mr. Poo Poo. But anyways, I'm here to pick up my dog.
Finally!
They're coming back next year.
No.
Yay! Oh God. I'm glad you like it.
Why is everybody so quiet? I mean, seriously, let's just go. Hello, I came to pick up my daughter.
Mommy.
Yes, let's go now.
I don't know what that was about.
Oh yeah, by the way, your house is awesome. Okay. 4 minutes. Hi, I came to pick up all my kids right there. Yeah. Okay, I don't really know why. Hello, I came to pick up my 3 kids.
Mommy, I love this school. They give me glitter. Look at my face.
You did that to yourself.
Oh, yeah, I forgot.
I love this daycare.
It's the best daycare ever.
You guys ruined my house. Well, that's for leaving us alone for 15 minutes just to get a drink of water.
We warned you we were going to have a party.
Whatever. 17 hours. What took so long? Well, I had to buy this umbrella. Mommy!
I missed you, Mommy.
We're going to China.
We're going to China? I love you, Mommy. I love you. I love you.
Yeah!
Woohoo! Cuddle up, Mommy.
Don't crowd me. Yeah.
Mom, where'd you go?
Everybody's now gone. Yeah. Now I have the whole place to myself. What?
May I keep the water in the food bowl?
No.
What?
Hard day of babysitting. When Claudine passed out. What happened? Just please tune in for part 3.